Under discrete probability distribution, the another form of discrete probability distribution is Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution. When the number of trials n is too large and the probability of the success p is too small, we prefer Poisson distribution. So the discrete probability distribution with the probability mass function p of x is equal to m power x e power minus m divided by x factorial, where m is equal to n into p, is called as Poisson distribution. The probability of getting x number of success in n trials when n is a large number, that probability can be calculated by using the probability mass function p of x is equal to the expression m power x into e power minus m divided by x factorial, where m is equal to n into p. P means the probability of the success. Remember that for Poisson distribution, mean mu is equal to m, where m is n into p. Variance v or sigma square will be equal to m, and the standard deviation sigma, which is actually square root of the variance, will be equal to root m. So we'll go for the questions on Poisson distribution. Question number 1. In a certain factory producing laser blades, there is a small probability of 0.002 for any blade to be defective. The blades are supplied in a packet of 10 each. Use a Poisson distribution to calculate approximate number of packets containing no defective blades, 1 defective blade, 2 defective blades in a consignment of 10,000 packets. So as per the question, blades are supplied in a packet of 10 each. Each packet consists of 10 blades. The probability that a blade is defective, the chance or the probability that a blade is defective is 0.002. Now, in a consignment of 10,000 packets, you are asked to get, using Poisson distribution, how many packets out of 10,000 packets contains no defective blades. Out of 10,000 packets, how many packets contain 1 defective blade in each? Out of 10,000 packets, in how many packets there will be 2 defective blades? So these numbers you have to calculate. So we'll take x as the number of defective blades. Probability that a blade is defective, which is taken as P, is 0.002. Q is not required here. Then the probability that if you consider a packet of 10 blades, the probability that there will be x number of defective blades in that packet is given by P of x is equal to m power x e power minus m divided by x factorial. Here m means it is n into p, where n denotes the number of blades in that packet. P means the probability that a blade is defective. So we are considering a packet, 1 packet of 10 blades. So n will be 10, P is 0.02. So m will be np, which is 0.02. P is 0.002. Therefore, P of x will be, substituting m as 0.02. It will be 0.02 power x e power minus 0.02 divided by x factorial, and e power minus 0.02 can be taken as 0.9802. So P of x will be equal to 0.02 power x into 0.9802 divided by x factorial. So this is the probability that in one packet of 10 blades there will be x number of defective blades. So if we consider altogether 10,000 packets where each packet will have 10 blades in it, out of 10,000 packets, the number of packets having x number of defective blades in each is given by 10,000 into P of x. 10,000 into that P of x is already calculated. So 10,000 into that P of x gives the number of packets. Out of 10,000 packets, the number of packets that will have x number of defective blades in each. Now we'll answer the question. So P of x can be substituted as 0.02 power x into 0.9802 divided by x factorial. Now the first part, out of 10,000 packets, how many packets you can expect where there will be no defective blades? Number of defective blades is 0, means you need to put x as 0. So out of 10,000 packets, the number of packets without any defective blades in it is, putting x as 0, 10,000 into 0.02 power 0 into 0.9802 divided by 0 factorial. Calculation will give 9,802. Then the second part was, in how out of 10,000 packets, in how many packets there will be one defective blades? Those packets where each packet will contain only one defective blade in it. So put x as 1. Out of 10,000 packets, the number of packets containing one defective blade in each is equal to, put x as 1 in this expression, 10,000 into 0.02 to the power 1 into 0.9802 divided by 1 factorial. Calculation will give that number as approximately equal to 196, which means out of 10,000 packets, there will be approximately 196 packets where in each packet there will be exactly one defective blade. Then the third part was, out of 10,000 packets, how many packets will be done with the two defective blades in each? So number of defective blades is 2. So put x as 2. So it will be 10,000 into 0.02 to the power 2 into 0.9802 divided by 2 factorial. Calculation will give approximately equal to 2. So out of 10,000 packets, there will be 2 packets where each packet will have 2 defective blades. Second question. 2% fuses manufactured by a firm are found to be defective. Find the probability that a box containing 200 fuses contains no defective fuses, 3 or more defective fuses, at least 1 defective fuse. So 2% fuses manufactured by a firm are found to be defective. Means whatever the number of fuses the company manufactures, among that 2% are defective. That means the chance or the probability that a fuse manufactured by the company is defective is 2%. Means 2 by 100. 0.02. Probability that a fuse is defective is 0.02. Now box contains 200 fuses. In a box in which there are 200 fuses, what is the chance that there are no defective fuses? What is the chance that there will be 3 or more defective fuses? Out of 200 fuses, what is the chance that there will be at least one defective fuse? So X denote the number of defective fuses. How many fuses altogether as per the question? It is 200. N is 200. So when we have such problems where N is a large number, so we prefer Poisson distribution. Since N is 200, instead of binomial distribution, we'll go for Poisson distribution. X denote the number of defective fuses. Then the probability that there will be X number of defective fuses is P of X is equal to, by Poisson distribution, it is m power x into e power minus m divided by x factorial. Where m means n into p. N is 200. P means, since we have taken x as the number of defective fuses, here p represents the probability that a fuse is defective. So 200 into p is 0.02, which gives 4. M is 4. So we get p of x as equal to 4 power x into e power minus 4 divided by x factorial. Now the questions, answer to the question one by one. What is the chance that there will be no defective fuses? Number of defective fuses is 0. So put x as 0. Probability or the chance that there will be no defective fuses since p of 0 equal to 4 power 0 e power minus 4 divided by 0 factorial, which gives e power minus 4, which is 0.0183. Then the second one, what is the chance that there will be, the box will contain 3 or more defective fuses? Number of defective fuses, x is 3 or more, means x should be greater than or equal to 3. What is the chance of this? Probability that there will be 3 or more defective fuses means denoted as p of x greater than or equal to 3, which is same as 1 minus p of x less than 3. 1 minus p of x less than 3 means you consider x as 0, 1, 2. So 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2. P of 0, p of 1, p of 2 all can be calculated by putting x as 0, x as 1, x as 2 in that p of x. Once you get p of 0, p of 1, p of 2, then you can substitute in that sum. Calculation will give the probability or the chance that there will be 3 or more defective fuses is 0.76195. Then what is the probability or the chance that there will be at least one defective fuse? At least one defective fuse. At least one means one or more. X should be greater than or equal to 1. So probability will be p of x greater than or equal to 1, or 1 minus p of x less than 1. 1 minus p of x less than 1 means the only possibility is 0. 1 minus p of 0. And p of 0 can be calculated by using that formula p of x by putting x as 0. 1 minus p of 0 is 0.0183, which will give 0.9817. The chance or the probability that there will be at least one defective fuse out of 200 fuses is 0.9817.